Learn Greek fast. Can you? Equals.
Μπορείς να.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, welcome. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab free extras at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today your new superpower is the polite request. Can you? In Greek, that's.
Μπορείς να.
Say it once with me, confidently, but with a smile. Nice. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for help like a pro, friendly, clear, and polite. Picture this. Your arms are full of groceries. You ask a neighbor, can you? Yes.
Μπορείς να.
Quote. On a call, open with.
Μπορείς να.
Before the request. At a door, you knock and say it with a smile. Boom, doors, windows, and hearts open. Forms and politeness. Use the right form and you'll sound instantly respectful. Singular, friendly.
Μπορείς να.
To one person you know. Plural, polite.
Μπορείτε να.
To a group or being formal. Softer, could you?
Θα μπορούσες να.
Extra polite. Add the magic word.
Παρακαλώ.
Please. Example.
Μπορείς να. Παρακαλώ.
Need help? Say.
Βοήθεια.
Help, noun, or.
Βοηθώ.
I help. Opposite idea.
Δεν μπορείς να.
Equals you cannot, notice the negation. Mini dialogues. Listen, smile, repeat, short and sweet. A. Excuse me.
Μπορείς να.
B.
Φυσικά.
You at the door. Knock knock. Hey.
Μπορείς να.
Quote. Door. Creaks open like it understood Greek. On the phone. Hi.
Μπορείτε να.
Thank you so much. At the cafe. Hi.
Μπορείς να. Παρακαλώ.
Barista smiles, caffeine appears. Pronunciation drill. Let's make it smooth and musical. Chunk it.
Μπορείς. Να.
Now connect.
Μπορείς να.
Call and response 3 times. You say.
Μπορείς να.
I say, yes, I can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Groove it with a beat. Ta-ta.
Μπορείς να.
Ta-ta. Keep the stress on, Reese. Culture tip. Greek politeness. Speak like a local and people will love you for it. In a Greek cafe or shop, switch to the polite form.
Μπορείτε να.
Plus.
Παρακαλώ.
For extra kindness, a friendly tone matters as much as the words, smile, nod, and you're golden. Quick quiz. Test yourself, super quick. Q1. How do you say, can you, in Greek? A.
Μπορείς να.
Q2. What's the plural, polite version? A.
Μπορείτε να.
Q3. True or false?
Μπορείς να.
Means, will you? A. False. It means, can you? Bonus. Softer request? Say.
Θα μπορούσες να.
Fun memory hooks. Let's lock it in with a smile. Mnemonic. Boris can do it, sounds like.
Μπορείς.
Gesture hack. Cup your hand near your mouth and tilt your head, then say.
Μπορείς να.
Loci trick. Your fridge whispers.
Μπορείς να.
Before it opens. Yes, even appliances love politeness. Challenge. Time to use it in the wild, playful but practical. Today, ask one real favor with.
Μπορείς να.
Or formal.
Μπορείτε να.
Add.
Παρακαλώ.
And a friendly smile. Then reward yourself. Maybe with coffee, maybe with victory dance. Level up idea. Contrast it once with.
Δεν μπορείς να.
To hear the difference. Wrap up. You nailed it. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Μπορείς να.
And.
Μπορείτε να.
In everyday moments. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. See you next time, language hero.